Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So I have a new intro and it was made by my lovely sister. She made it for me. So if you would like an intro, DM her on Instagram at MissNaomi13. I'll put all our details somewhere on the screen. And yeah, as you can see from the title, in today's video I'll be reviewing some glosses because I decided to support some small businesses. And if you don't know, my name is Esther, like I said before, and I own a business called Ess Cosmetics. So yeah, and this necklace is from Ess Cosmetics. It's not up yet, so if you want to know when it's launched, kindly follow me on kindly follow my business on Instagram at Ess Cosmetics. So yeah, let's get started. So the first package here is from Gloss. I've opened it. I just opened it. I haven't actually tried it. The first package is from Gloss and it comes with this silver bubble mailer. So when you open it, it comes in this mesh bag and it's got her business card and what I ordered. So this is what the business card looks like. It says, "Hey girl, thank you for shopping with us. Don't forget to tag us in a post with your latest purchase." And at the back it gives their website and their Instagram, and it says leave a review and let us know how we did. So I don't know what this gloss is called. I really don't know. I just picked one off of their website. And by the way, I ordered all of this with my own money, so this is a non-biased review. So this is what, oh god, this is what the gloss looks like. The lighting is so bad. This one is really bad, but I don't want to adjust the settings. So this is what the gloss looks like, and it's got rose. Oh god, this is so bad, but I'll show you guys separately. It's got roses in it. I think it's flowers, whatever. I don't know what the name is called, so let's test it out. It doesn't have any smell, but to swatch it, okay. Okay, I don't know if it's a lip gloss or a lip oil because it feels more like a lip oil. So the consistency is really oily, and if it's a gloss then it's really thin. It's not, because I love thick glosses, not thick like sticky, but thick. So I don't, anyways, if it's a lip oil I'll rate it as a lip oil. If it's a lip oil then it's really moisturizing, and because it's the oil, it's got, like, if it's a lip oil, I hope it's a lip oil, the roses makes it look less boring. So yeah, let's move on to next. So the next package is from FEMY Boulevard. I just say as Femi Boulevard, and it comes in this pink, is it pink or purple? Pink poly mailer. Let's see. Okay, it comes bubble wrapped like that, and the bubble wrap is look at the shape of the bubble wrap. This is so cute. I'm keeping this. This is so cute. Anyways, so it comes with a business card. Oh god. And I picked an African. Look, this is so cute. I feel like I'm doing the most, but compared to the other one I just opened, it's so tiny. So I ordered an Africa map necklace. Girl, get into it. Yeah, get into it. So this is what it looks like. I love it. So the next package, to be honest, I'm not sure what's in here because I literally just got it this morning. So let's giddy, let's go. Okay. Pop off, sis. Damn. Okay, this is from Boujee Vibe collection, And our thank you card is so cute. It says, thank you for your order, thank you for supporting my passion, and it says our Instagram right there. I love this. Okay, I think the gloss is a bit bigger than the rest, or am I tripping? Yes, it is bigger. Get into it. I need to stop saying that. So this is what it's got, stars in it. I'll leave, you can't really see the details, but I'll leave a video on the side, and it says Boujee Vibe Collection. Say, oh god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It says Boujee Vibe Collection, and the logo is holographic. So pretty. Okay, let's try it. I think this is 10 ml. Okay, so swatch first. Oh yes. It's either I've lost my sense of smell, or this doesn't smell like anything. Let me give my sister to smell it. Smell it. It doesn't smell like anything.
It does a little bit. That's cute.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. But this one also has a smell.
To be honest, I think I've lost my sense of smell. It's not Corona, by the way.
This one smells like minty. I don't know.
Okay, I think when I apply it... Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. The consistency of this one is very different from the first one. That's why I said I think this one is a lip oil, but I'm not too sure. I don't want to bash anybody. I need to check first. And like if it's a gloss, then I'll put it on the screen. You would have seen that I've put it on the screen. So this is a lip gloss, and I love it. It's really nice, and it's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's perfect. Get into it. This is not saying that. So let's move on to the last package. I already know who this one is from. LipglossByEll. So it comes in this, I think this is lilac. I don't know colors, to be honest. Well, that's what it looks like. As you can see, I've opened it already. So it comes like this. Oh god, you can't really see it. It comes in a white mesh organza bag, and I picked two things. I can't really remember, to be honest. So it comes with this thank you paper, thank you card, and at the back it says thank you for your order, Esther. All right, so this is what I like. I don't even do this in my business, but so she says I ordered one strawberry bonbon lip oil, which is this, and one Anastasia lip gloss, which is this, and it was £6. And I also got, she also gave me a little sweet. So let's get into it. So I've never owned a lip oil, so I just said let me support my girl. First of all, the tube for the lip oil is so cute. It's really cute, and it's got a strawberry charms, whatever it's called, at the bottom. Oh my god, you can't even see. I'll show a video on the side, as I always say. So, and the casing is so cute. Oh yeah, you can see it better now. And this is what the lip gloss looks like. It says LipglossByEll. I'll leave all their details on the screen. Oof. Okay, I can definitely smell this one. Oh yeah, it smells like strawberries, because it says strawberry bonbon. Oh yeah, get into it. Okay. I love it. I did it. So this is really pretty. I'm just looking at the mirror because the mirror is like behind. So this is it's good for when you moisturize your lips, when you exfoliate your lips. And guys, shop Lip Gloss by Elle and every other business that I have mentioned. So let's move on to the lip gloss. So this is the Anastasia lip gloss. Oh, this smells lovely. It smells like smell it. It smells nice, doesn't it?
Can't smell anything. Oh yeah, it does. Can I smell the oil?
It smells really lovely. I don't know. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really, really nice. Anyways, enough talking. So let's swatch it first. Oh yeah. Getting to it.
Stop.
Okay, so it's got little hearts in it. It looks really pretty. And swatching it. So let's go. Okay. It's not thick and it's not thin. In comparison to the one I tried before, this one is a lot thicker than this one. But it's perfect. So it's really, really nice. I like it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. These are all of the products that I tried today. So please shop from all of the businesses I have shouted out, and even if you don't shop from them, just follow them on Instagram and support them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay.